The purpose of aero testing is to quantify the drag losses due to aerodynamics. And we try to quantify that so that athletes can make decisions about their equipment and about their positioning. Pretty much everybody benefits from aero. So when we're looking at Timothy O'Donnell, for example, that we just tested, the margins nowadays are so slim that the real next frontier is in figuring out how to make yourself more aerodynamically efficient.
When you're younger, you can rely on just training more and getting more fitness. But as you get older, it gets a little harder to beat yesterday. That's why we're here.
There are several things that we test when we do aero tests. First and foremost is your position on the bike.
We put my seat back, a substantial amount, and that really dropped my head position, allowed me to relax in my body, but being able to put out, relatively same power in a much more efficient position, it's a big step forward.
Ultimately, the magic number that we really want to get out of all this testing is a number called CDA. That number helps us measure how efficient you are in going through the air. If you, for example, compare two helmets, and one helmet gives you a CDA that's lower than the other, well, we know that that helmet will convert your power into forward speed better than the other helmet. So it's important when the testing's all done to go over the results of the test with the athlete. You know the aerodynamic benefit of it, but now the athlete needs to make the decision and own that decision whether to go ahead with it. And so now the athlete needs to validate that they are indeed faster.
I'm really excited about today's sessions because in the past I've only been able to test in the wind tunnel, and it's just not a realistic picture of the real world. The gains I've made here, I can't make that up in one hard training session. The watts that I saved by being efficient, they're not going to just show up from one hard session or two hard sessions. So being out here on the velodrome with Garmin's aerodynamic technology, we are able to capture everything that we would really experience and see out on the road. So today was about training smarter, not harder, and I think we've done a great job at accomplishing that today.